Guys, it's Halloween season. I am so excited. This year, I wanted to focus on my front yard decor, so I have a quick, easy DIY for you. I made these yard tombstones. I actually made them from things I had laying around my garage, but you could make them super affordable. I think you could get about 4 of them for maybe $25, which is pretty good. That's better than what you could purchase them for, and they're super sturdy. So I am using sheathing, which this was left over from my garage shelving that I made, which by the way, my garage is super clean. So I had extra sheathing laying around. I am just gonna cut the corners off of this to kind of give it that tombstone shape, a little bit of like a coffin shape. And I just have this little Rockwell saw here, super easy to use. So I'm just gonna cut these corners off. Okay, I cut those corners off. This one I did super wonky. I didn't actually mean to do it quite so wonky, but this is why I love this project, because it doesn't matter. You don't have to measure or anything. You just cut. Next, I'm just gonna spray paint this whole board. I'm using this oil rubbed bronze, just left over from a past project. It actually was my doorknobs project. If you wanted to use like a lighter gray color, that might actually make them look more like tombstones, but I really like how this turned out. So this is what I'm using. I'm just gonna spray paint. After the spray paint dried, I went ahead and drilled a wooden stake into the back of my tombstone. Next, I designed my tombstones using Cricut Design Space. Then I went ahead and cut them out of vinyl. Can you guess which one of these tombstones my boys insisted that we include? I'll give you a hint. It is one of their favorite foods. I'm so thrilled with how these tombstones turned out. I think they were the perfect addition to our front yard Halloween decor this year. Thanks so much again for watching.